Welcome to Kevin Frank channel. In today's video, I have a thread update for you guys. All right. Now, in today's video, I want to show you the proofs of my trades on Wfunded. All right, because it is very important. If not for time, I should have done this long time ago. So before we go into the video, I have a trade playing out on GBP USD, a sell setup. And if I miss this setup, that would be crazy. So let me just take the trade, then we dive back into the details. So this is Willis Capital's trading platform, that is Wfunded, and I want to take a sell on GBP USD. First of all, I have to put my stop loss. Don't forget, for those that are traders, you must put your stop loss. Put the price. So the price of my stop loss is going to be 1.33, 1.336, 1.33602. Right? Yeah, I'm going to use one lot on this trade. Sell. All right, so position has been placed. If you want to check your positions, all right, you come down here. These are your closed positions. So these are my trades so far on this $100,000 account, and I'm up $2,000 in profit, 2,800 for phase one. Okay, so this is all the trades that led to this 2,800. This is it here, and this is my profile, Franklin. Okay. Profile, edit profile. So this is my name, Franklin Okoro, and my phone number right there. So I am on the trade now, GBP USD. How do you know your positions? Go to open positions. You see GBP USD. We are currently running loss of minus 10 point something zero, and this is the trading view where I am monitoring this trade. So let's come to the topic of the day. All right, like I said, I am actually using Wfunded for my prop firm trading. I got this account. Let me show you where you can see my client area. So under my account, you are going to notice that I got their first account. That of last year, it was breached, phase one. I didn't pass it. That is $25,000 account. I picked up another $25,000 account from them. Don't forget, I'm doing all these things just to prove a point. And then you guys pushed me into doing this. That's just the fact. I never wanted to trade a prop firm, but I went into that just to make sure I do a review. Some comments be like, for you to review a prop firm, you have to actually trade with that prop firm. That's why I was burning my money. Phase one, I breached it. Phase two, I lost the account. Second account, I lost it. So now look at the account of the 50K, which was passed. Phase one passed, and phase two I passed it, and I got a withdrawal on this particular account. So currently I am active on a $100,000 account. Like I showed you earlier, where we placed a trade. We are trading $100,000 right now. This is my certificate for withdrawal. This certificate section, right? Click on certificate. You see, this is certificate for my phase one, which I told you I passed. Phase two, and then my withdrawal. I withdrew $935 from this prop firm. With the money I made, I was able to get the next account, which I'm trading now, which is $100,000 account. If you want to check if truly this is my account, check on my profile. This is profile. You see my name, Franklin Okoro, and that's my email address, which I will hide it for my personal reasons. So if you go down, you see some of my information. So I have passed a $50,000 account on Wfunded, and I got a withdrawal. That is why you see me promoting them. Currently on that trade, we are running a profit of $26. Look at it. We took a sell above here. We took a sell from here. Now the market is crashing to the downside. I have a lot of profit to catch on this trade. It is running $24.7 in profit. We have more space to the downside. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Now look at it. This is our entry point, and this is the movement to the downside. If you want to know how I trade, you can join me on Telegram. Let me show you my Telegram channel where I drop signals, because most people don't know that I trade forex. I saw one comment someone dropped that he doesn't see me trade on YouTube. According to Donald Trump, who is my advertiser, he says Kemis Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. So on YouTube, basically what we do is content. We greet forex mentors. So if you really want to see a channel that trades forex on YouTube, you can check other channels. But if you want to see how I trade, then you have to come to my Telegram channel. I will just leave the link in my description box. So if you check, you will see all my signals where we drop sell, buy GBP USD. Look at this. Profit secured. This is on GBP USD. This one is on GBP USD. You check all my trade setup. This is massive profit on which pair is this? GBP USD. Yeah, these are my major pairs. This is another one. So you can just come here, take your time and check all my trade setups and how they hit take profits. So, okay, Ms. Frank FX on Telegram. Alright, now let us go back to the trade which we are running. If you check this trade, you can see we are in massive profit because GBUSD is falling to the downside. We took a sell position and the market is going to our direction. Now, this is more like a live trade where I'm trading before you on my $100,000 account. So that's by the way, guys. Let us talk about Wfunded platform and why I am recommending them with all my energy. Because if you check, you see me recommending Wfunded, and I have a live section with them on Friday, 16th May on Twitter. So please follow me on Twitter. I will just drop the handle there and also the link to my Twitter handle. Follow me on Twitter to participate on this live event. I am recommending Wfunded because they have paid me. If they did not pay me, I will still be the one to come here and criticize them. All right? The first movement was to check if they are legit. That was why I got an account under them. I got $25,000 account on them. I failed it. I got a second account. It was breached. Before I now got the 50K account, which I passed. I passed phase 1, passed phase 2. I got my withdrawal. We all saw that. So because they paid me, I have no other option than to recommend it. Because if they did not pay, I will not recommend them. So guys, they have shown transparency. I've seen transparency in this profile. And my withdrawal was instant. Once you hit a profit target on this profile, your withdrawal is instant. As you're placing withdrawal, in the next minute, you get your withdrawal. Trust me on that. So I will also leave the link to Wfunded profile in my description box. Get your own prop account with them. If you're looking for a profile to trade, this is the best opportunity to try out Wfunded. All right. I will keep you on track on this account. I will keep updating you guys. So keep checking on this YouTube channel. My updates may be coming both in short forms and in long videos because most times I may not have time to document my journey. Ordinarily, I don't even show my trade journey on YouTube because of time and all of that. So I will see you guys next time. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell on so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to see that Frank has something to say. I will see you next time. Bye for now.